Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing Earfleek. If you guys don't remember, this is a monthly earring stud subscription, or not just studs, they do like long dangly earrings too, all sorts of earrings. In fact, they have 3 different options to choose from: the boho, the minimalist, and the silly and fun. These are $3.49 for 8. They're just $3.49, and then there was a 50% off coupon. I'm not sure if that's still active. If it is, I'll put that down below, and then you get it for like half off, which is amazing. So let's open this baby, see what's in here. All right, so each one also had a hair tie. Remember that? Remember that? It was so cute. All right, and then there is a Bright Sellers $30 credit. I've never actually done Bright Sellers. In fact, I don't know if they actually deliver to me. Pennsylvania is a weird state when it comes to having wine and alcohol delivered. Here's a fun pair of earrings I personally selected from you. So they have like stylist, which is cool. So this would be the fun, silly and fun collection. And this is then they have like, check out some new music. There's a card for like a musician. So let's see our actual earrings. Here's our little hair tie. These are so cute. These are great for when you're like washing your face. Now I have bangs, so mine, they don't really work for me for that purpose, but I always have my hair back. You guys know that. All right, here are our earrings. Oh my goodness, they're little owls. How cute. Oh, and don't mind my nails are all messed up. Let me show you. Look, they come on this little thing. Look at that. Isn't that neat? So there they are, those little owls. Aren't they cute? So isn't that great for $3.49? Even if it is full price at $3.49, that's a steal and a half. These are adorable. If you're interested, please check out Earfleek below. Also check out my full blog review. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.